In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Smartsheet dashboards for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, informative dashboard and add the most useful widgets to give your team a clear view of progress. First, head to smartsheet.com and sign in. From the Smartsheet homepage, navigate to the workspace where you want this dashboard to live. Creating dashboards inside a workspace keeps everything organized and makes permission management easier. If you don't see the option to create in a workspace, you may need edit rights from the workspace owner. Next, look for the option to add to the workspace and choose Dashboard. This starts a new dashboard file and opens the creation dialog. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name. A helpful naming pattern is project, purpose, date, or version, so you can tell at a glance what it's for. After naming it, click Get Started. You'll land on a blank canvas with a grid. You can resize and move items later, so don't worry about perfect placement yet. Now click Add Widget. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. Start with a title widget. This gives your dashboard a headline and optional subtitle. Use the title to state the purpose and consider adding a short description so viewers know what they're looking at. Add a timeline widget to show key dates or milestones. Connect it to a sheet with start and end dates, and pick the fields that represent your schedule. Keep it simple. Highlight major phases and deadlines, and use colors to signal status. Bring in a report widget to surface a pre-built Smartsheet report. This is great for task lists, risks, or filtered views like overdue items. Make sure the report is already set up and tested so the dashboard always reflects real-time data. Use a metric widget to display KPIs such as completed tasks, budget used, or tickets open. Point each metric to a cell, sheet summary, or formula. Label metrics clearly and choose contrasting colors so they're instantly readable. Add a chart widget to visualize trends. Connect it to a sheet or report and select the columns you want to chart. Choose a chart type that matches your data: bar for comparisons, line for trends, and pie for parts of a whole. Include a shortcut widget to link people to related sheets, documents, or external resources. Group shortcuts by category to reduce clicks and confusion. Finally, add a rich text widget for notes, instructions, or definitions. This context helps viewers interpret what they see. When everything looks good, click Save. Save frequently as you refine layout, spacing, and colors. That's it. Your Smartsheet dashboard is ready to inform, align, and update your team.